Hello everyone, this is Rashmi here and I'm here to tell you about the National Art Contest 2024. This is an exhibition through the contest where the selected artist will get a chance to display their artwork in the prestigious Karnataka Chitrakala Parishad Art Gallery, gallery number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The exhibition will be on 27th July to 31st of July. The entries will be open from 30th May to 30th June. Note down, the entries will be open from 30th May to 30th June. So we still have 20 days to submit our artwork. So why this exhibition is important? Because here you will get a chance to win prestigious prizes. We have more than 1 lakh rupee cash prizes and art material from the renowned brand. We have 40 awards that the jury will select. The jury is also very distinguished. Eminent artist Vijay Biswal sir, Amit Srivastava sir, Nilisha Fard and me will select around 200, more than 200 works for displaying in the gallery. And out of those works, we have 40 awards. We have 5 categories. In those categories, we have landscape or seascape, portrait, still life, wildlife and stylized or abstract. Every category will win one best prize. There will be a platinum award. The platinum award will get 10,000 cash award plus 2,500 worth rupees art material from Art Lounge. Plus, in this platinum award, the best portrait award will get one set of Panda's brush, that is the brand from Chinmay Panda, and the best landscape artist also will get one set of Panda's brush. Then we have Diamond Award. Winner will get 5,000 rupees cash and 2,000 rupees art material from Art Lounge. Then we have Gold Awards. In the Gold Award, we will give around 2,000 rupees art material from Elephant and Rap and Woof. And we have Silver Awards. We have 20 Silver Awards. Those silver award winner will get one memento and the certificate. Other than that, all the participant will get participation certificate. So let's go and submit your artwork for this prestigious art exhibition, for this prestigious art event. Now, how to participate? This is one question. So you have to go to www.rashmisoni.com. I mean, when you open the website, one pop-up will come that is about the National Art Contest and Exhibition. So you have to click on that, and when you click on that, you will reach to the page. The page is event. So when you go for this event page, you will see all the details that I'm telling. All the details will be there in detail, so read them carefully. And there is a form. In the form, you have to fill your name, phone number, email ID, your address, and you have to upload your artwork picture and your picture. All right, when you upload the picture, there is a particular format you have to save the picture in your laptop. The format is, you have to save the picture in the name of artist name, artwork title, category, media, size and price. In case you are not having laptop and you are entering with the mobile, then there is one problem participants are facing, that because in the mobile the file will not get saved with the same pattern that I have told you. So what you do, you submit your artwork on the website and then you have to mail me at exhibitions.shinycolors@gmail.com. When you mail at this mail ID, just mention that I have submitted my artwork in the website, but due to some reason I am not able to send the details, so that's why I am sending the mail with all the details of my artwork. Okay, so this is all about the exhibition. If you have any question other than that, the size is mentioned there. The artwork size maximum can be A4 to 2 to 3 feet. But my suggestion, you go with A3. A4 will be very small. A3 to 2 by 3 feet you can go. And Once the submission will be done, we will out the result on 10th of July. Once the result is out, the outstation selected artist, when I'm telling outstation artist, means the artist those are out of the Bangalore can send their paintings, if they are selected, send their paintings to the given address in the website within the time frame that is from 10th July to 20th July. In between 10 days, you please send your painting to the given address, and the inner station artist, the Bangalore artist, has to bring all the paintings to the Chitragala Parishad Gallery 1 and 2 on 26th. These details are also given in that event page on my website. So please go, visit, read all the details and do submit. Do not miss this opportunity to meet the great artists, to display their work with the prestigious and eminent artists, and to win exciting prizes. See you friends, and happy painting everyone.